All right, so I created a Notion um, habit tracker for the ECCF Nutrition Challenge. And all these buttons are grayed out right now because when you open the link, you can't do anything to this until you duplicate it into your own Notion. And so what you first do is click on this duplicate, I guess, and it will, if you already have a Notion, right, then it would bring it into your Notion. So it's duplicating now. Okay, and now when you see it, you can say, well, it's kind of nice to expand these little toggles. Because if you click on this, then it's going to say you did clean eating for today. And every day at midnight, a new day will be created. So you don't, it's all automated, at least that's the idea. And then your total points for the week will show up over here. Bethany said we only get 5 for working out, so that stops at 5. And if I got anything else wrong, I'll republish it later. I did this from memory, so you don't really need the databases. That's just what's necessary in the back end. And then as the days go on, you'll be able to see, what things were in the past in the full view. But let's say you did your sleep. Oh, well, like I said, that one's already selected. Okay, you did your relaxation, you did your NEAT, and you had your lean protein. And so now you can see you're up 7 points for the week. And yeah, so let me know how it works, if it works. I wanted to learn how to use Notion and thought this would be a fun opportunity to try to build something we could use. So, all right.